Hi everyone, Ryan here. This is just a little short video to show you what's been happening in the garden this weekend. As you can see, I've got two trees in the background. I've cleaned up the Itago juniper because it's our club display, which is Sunday the 14th. If this video goes out before then, pop along, say hi. It's a great day. Azure Garden Centre in Cramlington. So that's why that tree's been cleaned for that display. I didn't do a video because I was messing about cleaning ponds and everything out, which I'll talk about in a minute. The scrub oak has had a good haircut and a bit more branch placement into it. Again, I did not get a video because I was multitasking and I didn't want to keep stopping and starting and stopping, so I was just playing about. I've got a picture before and after, which I'll put up now. There's also a picture there of everything will come up, which is still on the floor. I haven't had time to clean it up. That's why that one's been cleaned. I'll take you outside and show you what's going on out there. Our Howard, he's pulled all the lilies out, so I need to get all them repotted back in the pond baskets. I'm getting a bag of aqua soil, so I'll get them done. So we'll go outside and you can have a look what's been going on out there. When I clean the pond out, put the water into a barrel, then I feed the trees with the water, natural fertiliser. I do this once every 2 months because I use liquid feed any other time, but it seems to work for the trees. Put out some nice new growth. I drained the pond right down. You actually see some fish. Put a layer of gravel on the bottom so you can see the fish better. There's the lilies ones, how it's pulled out. So I need to get them on the pond baskets and get them back in. Then I've got the filter to clean, which is pissing down, so that'll not be happening today. Pressure wash the pump and everything. And him, the duck and get, you're gonna get it, aren't you? Huh? He's in the huff because he's been in there since 5 o'clock last night. He's never been on the pond, so that's what he's shouting about. I think he's a little bit paid off, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah, hello. Hello. I've got a busy day. While this water stops. The other Saturday, I was just messing about with the juniper, the video I put on the juniper, and I WhatsApp Capital, just took a picture with Capital on in the background, and I got a little shout out on the radio, so I'll put that in for a laugh. Have a listen.
Hello to Ryan. He says, loving the tunes for inspiration when I do a video on bonsai trees for my YouTube channel. Nice one, Ryan. Bonsai trees in the capital weekender. That is a marriage made in heaven. Hi to Danielle.
The pack lady just walked in the door. She was shouting it out on the radio. She was laughing her head off. Okay, that's the end of this video. Just a little shorter. Show you what I'm up to. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks.